Good morning, dear students. Today I will teach you a new chapter, chapter 14, Renewable and Non-Renewable Resources. Broadly speaking, resources are things that one uses to achieve an objective. Yes, many things are found in nature. Almost everything found in nature. सम ऑफ देम आर डायरेक्टली यूज्ड बाय अस, उसमें से कुछ जो है वो डायरेक्टली हमारे द्वारा यूज होता है, वेयर एज सम ऑफ देम आर प्रोसेस टू प्रोड्यूस वेरियस यूटिलिटी प्रोडक्ट्स. These are called natural resources. The resources present in the environment that can be used by humans are called natural resources. Three important natural resources are water, fossil fuels like coal and petroleum, and forest and wildlife. We need to conserve our natural resources because they are limited in amount. Natural resources keep the ecosystem and the environment in a balanced manner. All the natural resources are interdependent on each other directly or indirectly. The life on this planet Earth is because of these natural resources. Air, water, soil, plants, animals, solar energy, wind energy, minerals, coal, petroleum, etc. These all are natural resources. ये जितने भी हैं वो सब natural resources हैं. These resources are utilized every day. हम लोग इन जितने भी रिसोर्सेज हैं उसका यूटिलाइज, उसका यूज एवरी डे करते हैं. इन एंशिएंट टाइम्स, पुराने समय में, पीपल डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू यूज दिस रिसोर्सेज. पीपल को ये पता नहीं होता था कि वो इन रिसोर्सेज का कैसे यूज करें. ओके, सो दे वेर अनेबल टू कन्वर्ट देम इनटू यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स. क्योंकि उनको पता नहीं था कि इसका यूज कैसे करें, सो दे वेर अनेबल टू कन्वर्ट देम इनटू यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स. Gradually, धीरे धीरे humans learn to use these resources wisely. धीरे धीरे human beings है ना, learn to use, उनको पता चल गया कि कैसे इसका यूज करना है इन resources का wisely तरीके से. So, however, some countries which are rich in natural resources, तो कुछ countries ऐसे हैं जो rich हैं in natural resources में, still remain poor and backward. Still वो अभी भी बहुत ही पुअर और बैकवर्ड है. दिस इज बिकॉज दे लैक द नॉलेज ऑफ यूटिलाइजिंग देयर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. क्योंकि वहाँ पे लैक ऑफ नॉलेज, कैसे यूटिलाइज करना है नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का, इसका लैकनेस है. दे आर स्टिल अनअवेयर ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजीज इन्वॉल्व्ड. वो अभी भी इस चीज़ से वाकिफ नहीं है कि कैसे इन टेक्नोलॉजीज का इन्वॉल्व करके हम लोग नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का यूज कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? Okay. Then after classification of natural resources can be classified as renewable resources and non-renewable resources. First of all, we should understand that what is the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources. Most natural resources such as coal and petroleum were formed, millions of years ago. Other resources such as sunlight were present even before the earth was formed. Regardless, we all are dependent on these resources in some way or the other. किसी भी directly or indirectly, we all are dependent on these all things. These resources are termed as natural resources and are very important for life on earth. Natural resources are classified into renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay? Renewable resources. Some natural resources are available in plenty in nature. कुछ ऐसे natural resources है जो अवेलेबल है इन प्लेंटी इन नेचर. नेचर में बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में वो अवेलेबल है. एंड दे नेवर गेट एक्सॉस्टेड, और वो कभी भी एक्सॉस्ट नहीं होता है, कम नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जस्ट एज एयर, वाटर, सॉइल, प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, सोलर एनर्जी एंड विंड एनर्जी. ओके, these resources can be used again and again. इस ऐसे resources का हम लोग बार बार यूज किया कर सकते हैं, बार बार again and again we can use this, and that is why They are called inexhaustible resources. Moreover, they do not cause pollution, or moreover, they do not cause any type of pollution. Students, most natural resources such as coal and petroleum were formed millions of years ago. I told you. Other resources, such as sunlight, were present even before the earth was formed. Regardless, we are all dependent on these resources in some way or the other. These resources are termed as natural resources and very important in our life on earth. Natural resources are classified into renewable and non-renewable resources. First of all, we should know that what is renewable resources. The resources which cannot be exhausted even after continuous utilization are termed as renewable resources. ऐसे रिसोर्सेज जो विच कैनट बी एक्सस्टेड, उसे हम चाहे कंटिन्यूस कितना भी यूटिलाइज करें फिर भी वो एक्सस्ट नहीं होता है, दैट इज नोन एज रिन्यूएबल resources. Examples of renewable resources are the sun, wind and tidal energy. Okay. Then after, non-renewable resources. Some minerals and fossil fuels are available in limited quantities in nature. कुछ minerals या फिर fossil fuels जो है वो available है in very limited quantities in nature, and they include petroleum, coal and minerals like iron, copper, aluminium, etc. These resources are called exhaustible resources because they will be finished. ये finished हो सकता है if used unwisely. अगर हम लोग unwisely इसका use करें तो ये finished हो सकता है, क्योंकि इसका ये available है बहुत ही limited quantities में nature में. And then after, if we used unwisely, such resources take millions of years to form and even it cause pollution also. Okay, the resources which cannot be immediately replaced when they are depleted are called non-renewable resources. Examples of non-renewable resources are including fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas, and rare minerals typically found in meteorites. Now let us have a look at the major differences between renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Thank you, students. It's all for today.